Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna give you one tip to always use the brand new cables, even though you have just a small patch of here of the outer housing. I'll let you see what's happening here. So I tried to reuse this cable here. You see what I'm talking about? And as I guide it like this over here, this is the new one. Lovely. It goes in beautifully. And look what happened. As I tried to guide this one through here, look here. Look at the mess. This happens every time I try to reuse the cable because one of these cables already has a crack. And as you insert it into the shifter, guess what? This is going to be the domino effect. So for a couple of dollars, always get a brand new cable and you're all set. I'm going to put this one in description so you guys can get one of these. And that's pretty much that. And again, for the better shifting, always use the brand new cables. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.